Now we're gonna show you how to cook real rice. You just get a couple cups of rice. Then we're going to wash this rice. We're washing the rice. Makes the rice stick if you don't wash it. If you want to make sushi, you don't wash the rice, you just cook it as is. See how much dirt comes out? So we add some water, about 1 finger more water to the level of the rice. And we're going to add about a teaspoon of salt and about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we're going to cook this. Put to max and put the lid. As soon as it starts boiling, you're going to turn this down to number 2 or 3 depending on your stove. In my case, I like to put it like in a 2.5. As soon as it boils, you turn it down to like 2.5 and just leave it there until the water dries. The rice. Now all the water has evaporated. Now with a spoon, we're just gonna move the rice around a little bit. Loose it. And now we're gonna let it sit in minimum in probably 1.5 for about 5 more minutes. The rice is ready.